Hey everybody, so this is what I went, well actually I didn't go to ULTA to pick this up, but I was looking for one of these dipping powders starter kits. I actually went to ULTA to return a makeup brush, and I stumbled upon these beauties that were buy one get one free, and that's the credit I got for taking the brush back, so that was $6 off. Then I had a $5 off 15 coupon. That's the $5 you see in parentheses. And then, so my total went down to $26.39, and then I redeemed $10 of my Fetch rewards. So, if you're not familiar with Fetch rewards, I have them linked in the description box, and you just scan receipts and receive free gift cards, as I've done here in this video. So I only end up paying $16.39 for both of these kits, and I will be doing a video in the future.